What's good, y'all? Today is the day. Y'all see this? It's time to get ready to that. I'm back with another video though. This is a self-cut. I'm about to cut my hair. First I'm cutting my little brother hair, then my big brother. And then, yeah, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. I look fat because I just ate. But this is mine, dude. Oh my God. Who we here with, bro? Who we here with? What's your name, bro? Tell me your name. What's your name?
Right?
Right. We're here with Jay and man. Him himself. I'm gonna show y'all his hair. So this is the before right now. I'm not gonna show y'all me cutting his hair. I'm gonna just show y'all like cut my own hair, but this is before. He gonna get like a mid fade. That's what his mom want. But yeah.
Wait.
Shut up.
I don't know.
It's ready to go. I'm gonna be done this around like 15, 30 minutes. No, it's like, okay. You good? You ready? You got something to say before you get your haircut?
I'm a costume.
It's not Halloween. All right, bro. So I'm back. These are the results. That's the first one. I told you, I'm not a pro now. I'm not a pro. But it's better than nothing, you feel me? I probably just gotta blend that one little bit and I'm done. Look up. How you like it? I like it.
Good.
That's good, that's good, that's good. So now it's my turn. I'm about to take my hair out. Yeah.
Excuse me, Rick.
This don't look bad. Take my hair out. I don't want to lock this on New Jersey.
Me, Rick.
What?
Excuse me, Rick. You back up?
I'm stuck right now. And it's like, so, man, I don't want to rock this, but I do at the same time. Like, I know I can pull this off, but like, when people look behind me, they're going to be like, I don't know if y'all can see, but like, hell no, bro. I don't like that. I'm not going to lie to you. That took me how long? I know my mom not going to like this, but yeah. Finally took my hair out. I still got inches. I don't really care from y'all haters, man. Y'all want to say something, what's up? I don't care. I had inches, I had waves, I had everything in the books right now. And I'm beating everybody that do it. But now we got to get into it. Y'all like my little setup? Take fire. On myself. Watch. I'm going to fuck with it. Isn't it? Fuck with it. I'm thinking if I should do like a straight taper or like a curve. I feel like a curve. Y'all know my face gonna be hooked up. Damn. Alright. Now this is the best I can do. Feel me? So I got my 1.5 open. Open, feel me, to open up the teeth. If you do it closed, like the teeth go closer to the little razors, you feel me? They go back and forth. So feel me? Open it up. See what you're working with. Yeah, I'm gonna use this brush. I didn't show you all my tools, but like y'all get it. Brush your size. This brush your size. Alright, now these is my trimmers. This is like, I like this. It's cheap. I only got cheap ones because I'm not a real barber. You feel me? I'm spending mad money on clippers and stuff. Like, I'm not that. You feel me? I'm not him. I am him, but I'm not him. So I'm gonna get the cheap ones, and this was cheap. So yeah, and I'm not promoting nothing, nigga. They're not paying me. Sorry, y'all just gotta find it. Let me. Yeah. I do it like this. My ear, top of my ear, to my eyebrow. I line it up. Go down. That's always off. Do the same thing for the other side. That's straight. Feel me? Brush it down. Hit it one more time. Brush it down. Hit it one more time. That's straight. It's perfect. Let me hit the other side now. It's perfect. Damn, I can pull a bit of this. You feel me? Hit her with the. Hey, yo, shorty, look at your number, shorty. Like, you bad, nigga. What's up? But I'm gonna go an inch with no lever on. No guard on, I mean. So that's what I'm talking about. I can do a content creator for that. I'm gonna stuff. That's my inch right there. It's recording to that side. I was talking to like I was like, y'all probably wondering too, like, why is this so dark? Oh, yeah, one more time, so I'm gonna Back to this. Half the business. Y'all see that line? Y'all see that? That's cool. That's cool. That's cool enough. I'm gonna go up a little tiny bit more. That's cool enough. I'm gonna do the other side now. So now you start blending. Let me see that this the starting line, the no guard area, and this the one guard right here. So I'm gonna blend this line and this line, and eventually I'm gonna use the 1.5 to clear it all up a little bit for me, detail it, work with it. So now I'm gonna take out the first line. The first line, no lever. You can put all the way closed, but I'm gonna leave it like halfway is cool. So you do that and just play with the bottom line. Not go too high. A line right here and no line right there. Just blend. Blend. Let me just look at it closely. But now I'm gonna take out this line right there. Just the no grain and one guard. I'm gonna hit it with a 0.5. Hit it with a 0.5, then it should be clear. So like I was going, I'm gonna hit this line right here with a 0.5. So we're gonna blend that. Now to the side. Now, okay, I'm feeling one. I'm gonna hit my hairline with a 1. I don't like that little puff. So I'm gonna just hit all of it with a 1. Yeah, that's what I like. This is it perfect. Don't leave it open. Stop pulling it up. Try my line. Yeah, right. Alright, for the back, you do the same thing. First, find your spot where you want to do it at, and just hit it. I like to start on the bottom of my ear. That's what I like to start up. So now, I finished the back. Hopefully it's not curved, but I'm just go off my best. Now you go with the no lever, no guard, lever open, about 1 inch. Same thing you try as the taper. So I'm gonna go about 1 inch and try out when it's done. Start getting itchy with it. What up? That's all I know. This is what I did so far. Start getting itchy. Now for the back, I like to just take the line straight out like I did it with a 1 guard. I scratched myself. I don't know if you'll see the ash, but I'm gonna close the lever like halfway and try to get that line out. That's it. Yeah, hit your one is done. Alright, I took that line out. Now I'm gonna hit it with the one guard, lever open, and show y'all when that's done. That's sorry, but that's gotta be the taper for right now because here's all in my mouth. Oh my god. But bro, it's all one. But yeah, don't rush when you cut your hair down. Bad to rush. Don't be like me, be like yourself, obviously, but yeah, that's nice. It's not bad, bro. It's just like a regular. It's just like a regular taper. It's still pull up. It's all about the hairline, which I'm about to show y'all. I'm good with that. Sorry, I can't see the glass for it, but hey man, probably just make it perfect. Now, what y'all been waiting for is the hairline. Real simple. This is easy. This is the easiest part. Ain't probably everybody's favorite part, but blow the brush on. Brush down, obviously. So we start from the middle. You should hear all birds say that. But yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm tired. I've been working all day. Nobody know. Tired. Very tired. Yeah, I'm gonna sit inside. I'm gonna do this. So I can come. I noticed, like, bro, I'm only back, but let me do my face. Should I do this? Yeah, let me give me a little slip. Nice. Mustache. I don't want to keep all this though. It's slanted because I can't really, like, I gotta bend down. Let me just back up. I like got this better. I know it was right there. I gotta find it. I don't even know. I should do a Q&A. Let me know in the comments if I should do a Q&A. Okay, would y'all fuck with it or no? Do I got a butt chin? Look like I got a butt chin. Alright, this version be on my nerves, but here's the final results. Let me know how I did. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. Be safe. I'll let y'all do. I'll hit y'all up. Y'all in like 1 minute. I know I'm gonna cut this fast. How could I forget to line my back up? Another burger. It's not that much.
You ever feel like you're worthless? Like you ain't worth shit? And I know that I ain't perfect, but you know that I'm worth